Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make almost $500 every single day doing affiliate marketing on YouTube with Amazon Associates program. And this video is going to be really interesting. I'm going to show you all the things which you require and what is the best strategy which you can apply to make money with this method in 2020. So if you are interested in make money online, affiliate marketing and online business and this type of stuff, then this is the best channel for you, which you should press the subscribe button. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. So the first thing which you have to do is just go to your YouTube search bar and just type in 10 best ones. Okay, why I am searching this term? I'm going to show you one of the channel which is known as 10 best ones. So what this channel does is that this channel just finds out the new whatever the tech gadgets are going to be launched, and what it does is it creates a top 10 compilation, or we can say as a top 5 list, okay, of those new gadgets. Okay, so here you can see that best budget gaming laptops in 2018. Okay, so many of his videos are just like this, and you can see this video has got 132,000 views, which is really insane. Okay, now let's check out some of the other videos of this channel. I will show you how this channel is making money. Okay, so you can see that his videos are getting some of the views, which is okay, almost 1,000 views. Okay, all his videos are getting almost 1,000 views, but the reality is that this guy is making a lot of money with even small amount of views which he is getting. And how he is making a lot of money, this is what I am going to tell you in this video. Okay, for example, I will click on one of the random videos of his. Okay, and now I will show you what type of affiliate marketing he is doing over here. See, this is the video he created.
When you think of accounting and finance,
cloud monitors of 2020, and the best thing is that his channel is monetized. You can see the ad is coming over here.
Comes to mind.
Okay. So just see what he does is that he pulls off some of the image of this curved monitors, okay, and just creates. See this, all these are curved monitors. Only some of the images of this curved monitors, and he places those images over here and creates one of the compilation videos. Now what he does as a voiceover in this video is just he reads the specifications of certain monitor, and that's it. He doesn't unbox them, he doesn't review them, he only reads the specifications of this monitor. And how he is monetizing this? He is monetizing this by giving affiliate links in the description. Now you can see he is targeting not just one country but many of the countries. See, UK links, this is United States links, this is for UK, this is for Germany and Europe. So you can see that he is targeting really a huge audience, and you can see this video has got 1208 views, but the viewers of this channel, the people who are watching this channel, are absolutely interested in buying curved monitors, and this is the audience which he has, is really an buying audience. Now out of this 1200 people, if only 100 people go click on this link and buy something from Amazon, no matter what it is, he will get a commission. So by just getting, even if he gets this much low views, but he is definitely earning a lot of money just by doing affiliate marketing with this YouTube channel. And this is where you can start. You can also start this type of channel. You can also replicate the success of this YouTube channel. This guy definitely makes more than $1,000 a day simply by creating this simple videos. All he does is goes to a tech website, gets some of the images of newest tech gadgets which are launched, and what he does is that creates a top 5 video regarding that particular gadget. Now this can be done in many of the niches whatever niche you like. You can do this in the health niche, for example, top 5 protein powders, or you can do it in other niches, top 10 beauty products, whatever niche you like, whatever niche you love. But you can create this type of channel and really make a ton of money doing affiliate marketing with Amazon. And the best thing about Amazon is that people really trust Amazon, and you are going to get really huge conversion, and you are really going to make big money out of it. So this is what you can do really easily, really simply. It doesn't require any technical skills. Even you don't need to memorize something to speak as a voiceover, because all you are doing is that just reading the specifications of certain products which you are showing in the video, and that's the voiceover. This is the easiest thing which you can ever do on internet and make a ton of money. This guy is just killing it, making really great amount of money. I am not talking about the AdSense money, because it is a minimum amount of money which this guy is earning from his YouTube channel. It may be almost 5 grand to 6 grand which he is making from the AdSense on this channel, but his main stream of income is affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, this guy is almost making more than $20,000 every single month. And this is what you can do. This is his method which you can replicate, but you need to put in some work. You need to take action. So if you are going to take action on this method, just write in the comment section, I will be taking action in 2020 and making money online. So if you like my video, if you like my content, just press the like button. And if you want to make videos like this, then you just have to download one video editor for your computer, which is OpenShot video editing software. This is a video editing software which I myself use, and it is available absolutely for free, and open source video editing software which is really insanely easy to use. Now if you don't know how to use this video editing software, all you need to do is just search for YouTube how to use OpenShot video editor, and you can find many of the tutorials to create this type of videos. This is really easy. This is really insane. You can also create this type of videos using a mobile application which is known as KineMaster. So if you don't have time to go to a computer or are not comfortable with utilizing a computer, you can just download this application which is known as KineMaster on your Android mobile or your Apple iPhone, and just you can create this type of simple videos using this software. So these are something which you require, and you can really start making a ton of money doing this simple stuff. So if you like my video, if you like my content, just press the like button. And if you are really going to take action, just write in the comment box that you are going to take action. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out other videos on my this channel.